Ndirumia kideo. Ajili mati kopi ko kwanelo. Oiga joli. Ajili mati mwani wakrea. Oiga joli. Ko kwanelo. Oiga joli. Oiga joli. Hello, how are you? Hi, I'm doing good, and you? Anira tua, awowe tua. You guys can ask me any question. Ask me anything. Today is all about talking. You look beautiful, dear. Thank you. Hi, beautiful young lady. Hello. How are you guys doing? Where are you watching from? Admire the song. This is the song I was dancing to in one of the videos. Thank you. Where are you guys watching from? Hi, Pro T. And number one, I just like watching you live. Thank you so much. Today I want to take the time to talk to you guys. Ask me anything, I will answer it. Are you still single? No, I'm not. I'm not single. Juba number one. Thank you, Vincent. Cute. Thank you. Hope you guys are doing well. Happy New Year. Home of Africa, please. Yes, always. Africa on the top. I'm watching you from Ghana. Always follow you. Wow, thank you so much for following me. I appreciate. Ghana is so beautiful. I have to visit one day. The west side. Are you married? No, I'm not married. I'm dating someone. Oh, I can blow. Hello, my cute girl. Hello, cute little girl. Lucy. It's evening. I'm right there with you. I'm watching from Juba, South Sudan. Muniki, Block 8. Much love. Sam, thank you so much for watching. I love South Sudan, our beautiful country. Is the lighting good? Can you guys see me well? I can change if you can't see me. Add me, okay. Lucy, you want to come on? You know what, Kadilog? Why are you half naked? I'm not half naked. This is a top. How is it half naked? Come on. It's a top, you see? Maybe like this, it seems like it's half naked, but it's not. I will add you, Lucy. Let me read the comments first. Fine, thanks. I'm doing good too. I love you too. I love you guys too so much. You're so cute. I want to know you're a real tribe. Actually, though. Hello, beauty. Sent from Suriname. Greeting to South America. Suriname people. Okay, blessed. Sudan, be blessed. Okay, let me add Lucy. Lucy, you can send your request. I'm not seeing you. And I'm going to bed. And then it's actually. Sending love back to Wilson. Have a wonderful time. Roman, thank you so much, Roman. Thanks for joining us. Can you please introduce the topic for who are interested in to react? Yeah, you can come up with a topic. You look so beautiful. Today I'm just. Thank you anyway. I didn't do anything to my face. I'm always natural most of the time. You look so beautiful, thank you. Therefore, watching you live from Unity State, Bantu. Wish you the best. Yen, thank you so much for watching live. I wish you the best. How would I get that song of Amosity? That song was not for Amosity. That was Copa Odera, the past one, right? It's not Amosity. It's on YouTube. Search for, the name is Copa Odera. The title is South Sudan. Actually, South Sudan is the title of the song. I'm watching you from Dubai. How are you doing? But let us see you clear. Okay, you can't see me clear. Let me change the light. Let me change the lights. There is no challenge. I'm from Somalia right now. I love you so much. Thank you so much, Isaac. I'm from. Oh, I'm in Gum, Saron. Isaac said you look beautiful. I'm from South Sudan, but I'm in Ghana now. You can add me as your friend, please. Okay, thank you, Isaac. West Africa, Alfaro. Love this video. Thank you, Malit. I have a good dance. Hello, Salfado. You dance. No, let's talk today. You guys can ask me any question. This song has copyright, but it keeps. I played the song so many times that it keeps rewinding. Are you in UK? No, I'm not in UK, but I'm in Europe. Absolutely amazing, lady. But please send me a chili song. It's on my page actually. I'm always posting the links. Hi, Cedric. Okay, Lucy. You look clear now. Okay. I'm from Kenya. I like the music, though I don't understand the language.
China ko.
Ala monya.
Namun back pa mun fegil.
Back pa mun jini.
Koro back mun yung bara ngai.
Jadi ni. Ini. My cute girl. I'm in Leng Ma Leng.
Pwede nila choma leng mera.
It looks like I'm
Yala foya.
Na wili story pa mo China. Como China ni ano.
Today I'm asking people, so if you want to ask me anything, you want to come on, send me a request. I will add you.
Inja. I think I'm bag.
Speak in English, yeah? What is Sudanese Kanye? Ugandese. You have to
I
speak in
think more.
English so we cannot understand. Okay?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too. It's almost February. That Yawaga, please can help me to send a Chili song with voice
Yeah,
message.
bogalong on it.
Okay, look it down.
Okay.
Go back, yeah.
Agina pepe.
It's it,
Gimara
man.
mene. Wang ti diere.
Okay.
Come sin, come sin.
Come see. Which song do you want? Yen.
Hmm?
What is the topic, Rosalie? You bring some topic. Got what? People, Lucy, come with a topic.
Yeah, bogalo ke jo peri.
Even been here.
I'm gonna win you, ne?
Hey, look, you been a topic, huh?
Ya
We are
nen
missing
mamuanya
some.
manyan. Leng
Rastafari.
ma. My cute girl, what ba?
I was meaning the whole thing. Guys, any questions for us?
Hmm.
Anything.
Yala pera be ga morba wa dog ga win lok.
Hey,
Wa dog ga win story ni.
bed Kenya mode.
Ay, Roslyn. Kwanya. Ow.
You quite them?
Roslyn. Abi be
Huh?
Rose. Sandra rak di ti abira ngole ko en pege chi me joining ya.
Sandra man.
What go?
Chilling with a big girl.
Started music. You
You
want to
want a
bamba?
bam bam? I miss you, Rose.
I miss you guys too.
Look at you,
Started
look
music.
cute.
You guys look cute too. What are you chilling?
Rose, we are just here. We are missing you alone. When are you coming back?
Hey guys.
Hmm?
I wish I can come.
No, don't wish. You have to come this side and see us also. Mere bien ba? Hmm?
I wish. First give us some a cappella. Rune.
Capella. Arokel incha malaika piri. Akira perfume mangweja kuni hana kuri. Hey, Rosrin rune koyo nega wagoya. Ate kanya kuri koyo nega wago. Ite kweneya. Roslyn ite kweneya. O kweneya. Anatie kanya. Rose. Mm-hmm. That is my capella,
You
right?
guys.
Yeah.
Yes, it's very nice. Thank you. You gave us a
Come
show.
on.
Saddam.
Mm?
Let me ask those people. Do you guys know who she is? She's a big
Mm.
Sadat, eh? This is
Mm.
Sadat 8 Music. She has one hit. It's called Rune. She's on YouTube.
By the way, Rose,
She's a big
Abe,
Sadat.
someone with the SS. Someone with the SS. Okay, look at it.
Lala, I'm getting like
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Welcome to Kwanya.
In Lucy, what location?
Eh? I bet white are missing in too much. Roach?
Watch.
Huh?
Yeah, Roach. That is missing Roach.
Now missing Roach.
I bet.
I bet yeah, Kwanya now. She said I should remove her. Why?
Okay, win guy. I bet la yela.
I bet what location? Neki kwera lokeda.
Yeah, let me talk to
Saddam,
you.
Luang Saddam.
Wakati rabet kanye ko. Rose, when are you releasing the other new audio for those of Clexby Nanis Spanner UG?
Which one
The
is
All
that?
Star.
It's already out. Banana.
Oh, I knew. They didn't send for me the link.
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
This thing is out long time ago. Yeah. Do you have something new for us?
Come on.
Do you have something new for us?
New? Something new. Yeah, I have it.
Yeah.
The new song is called Zonto.
You have it right already.
Yeah, it's going to be actually it's going to be lit.
Yeah. Who,
Do you
who
want a
is
cappella for it?
who is producing?
Hmm?
Who is producing it?
Oh, where it go?
Yeah.
Like, ana mira uwe matezento. Adegi mira nyara matezento. Ana mira uwe matezento. Ah, adega uwe matezento. Amira gento moba. Ah, pelokera. Mira gento moba. Ah, pelokera. Ana mira uwe mate simple. Adek zonto. Ana mira uwe mate simple. Zonto moba, pelokera, zonto moba. Anyway, that one is the chorus.
It sounds good. What is the meaning of Zonto?
Like those conto boys, actually, those guys with they're not gentle, those rastas.
Bad boys.
Me, I want a gentleman.
I'm seeing. Okay, we can't wait.
Hmm?
We can't wait to hear.
Well, anyway, I'm not getting you well because I bet.
I'm saying I can't wait to hear it.
Okay, I will send for you the links.
Okay, it's out. No,
Hmm?
not yet. It's out already.
Pardon?
Is it out? Not yet, right?
Not yet. I'm just going to make a poster this week, then I'll release it. Maybe next month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Good evening, Ochan. Whoa, awesome. Amira, greetings. How are you doing? You're doing good, thank you. How about you? Watching from Wuhan City. China. Straight out of China. Ah, that is so nice. That quote. I miss him.
I'm
Yeah,
saying so.
it's coming soon. Hey, Shan, first dance for us. Eh? I should put
Come on.
music. First
Eh?
dance for us. Actually,
Oh my God, dancing. I'm just waiting. There's not anything. Have a look.
let us see what you got, what your mama gave you.
Oh my God, Roslyn,
I
get
put the
serious. No, I will not hear your music. I have to hear my own music here. Oh my
you have
God.
music.
No, 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 not right now, Rose. Not right
When you,
now. I'm in the open place, please.
it doesn't matter now. You will get
No, I'm in the open
audience.
place. There's no music here, and there's no one dancing here. Even you have a look.
I have music. I have music.
Rosie, wake up and dance for people.
I'm prepared.
Amale miel. You know Amale miel.
No, my guests have to dance to my audience.
It's you to dance.
Oi. I feel more comfortable with these two foolish
Mm.
ladies. Enjoying. Which song do you like?
Rosalie, I'm not going to dance, please. I'm not going to dance.
Okay. She's shy. She's shy, guys.
I'm not shy, but I won't dance here.
Nice thing. Which one? Shan A.
Mm.
We don't speak Brazil. On this page, we have a lot of people from Brazil, from France, from China, all different kind of languages. From South America. Any question? Any it's okay. Any song? You see that?
You wake up and dance. Amale miel kong. Ami anero miel
I
la
like
chuli
this.
kong. Rose, can you read this?
My controller.
Amaro.
Chanel Ato Piri.
I'm hearing.
If I'm dancing, I have to
I
tell
can't
you for
dance
that.
here, please. Pass have a look. I want to see you dancing. You dance. Uh-huh. Abe.
Free show for you guys.
Sandy. Okay, where did you my daughter? When you my daughter?
Kami api amen. Roslyn ni ala bera. Arasa.
Make it get a thing.
Aywa. 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 Ay
Never
jamu.
ya tiene vino. Uno tiene la gira mi viene también. Every
Something
month
here.
we come on.
My controller talking. Huh?
Manda most colony.
Controller talking.
I'm in.
Abi mira. But no, I'm not me alone. I'm not me alone.
Kila mmoja afala yake umutana kama ni alba tano ni alba ni yomo wae
I'm not going to go nowhere. Encima mera. Narmena ati live video ti agora chinge suni bilai. Narmia berwara.
Now can going to
Nanti aye la chim yake. Nanti live. Nga anya ka tipo.
You are Ngodi? Oh, she's gone.
Rabobank is er voor ZZP'ers. Die klein beginnen en groot dromen. Met de Rabo ZZP-rekening zonder vaste kosten. Dus je betaalt alleen voor je...
Absolutely amazing. Shout out, Marcos. I should lift your hand up. Lights. This is not love. Lights. The light is going to be too bright. What is cool? Touch your hair again. Why should I touch my hair? That is weird. How do you do? I'm doing good. You? Anyways, I think that was enough. Unless if someone else wants to join in and have some questions. Please put on lights. I'm going already. There's no point putting on lights. Not clear, it's dark. Oh. Anyways, see you guys next time. I'm gonna go. I'm going to relax, chill a bit. And tomorrow is Monday again. Time flies. It's already ending the weekend. Okay, guys, see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the comments, the likes. I appreciate it much. Bye all.